In this video, we are going to see how to deal with multiple values in ListViewControl. As we've seen in previous tutorials, we are using a simple ListViewControl with a single click. In that case, we are not able to use the multiple values at a time selecting. So if you want to select multiple values and then display the uh, records, you can use the list view control. And as we see, we are not able to use list activity. If you want to use another control in same activity, here we are using the button. Just place it. If you want change the name, you can change it from here. You can set the ID of button. Just save it. Go to the main activity. As we seen in previous tutorials, we have created this for simple list item. Just add the block comment on list view item click listener. If you don't know how to add the block comment, go to the source and add block comment. It will comment it all the case. After that, we have used the button, so we have to use the button to register and deal with buttons on button click. So we are using the button class. After that, we have to register the button control with typecasting button class, find view by ID. If you don't save it, it will otherwise it will not show you the in IntelliSense the ID of your button. So save it if you don't. After that, just remove this. In that case, we are using the Android package as we seen dot r dot layout dot. Here we are using the multiple values, so simple multiple choice, simple item multiple choice select and after that we have bind the adapter as we seen in earlier tutorials. After that we are specify the list view choice mode. If you don't set the list view with set choice mode, you are not able to use or select the multiple items in your list view. So how to set? So let's see list view dot set choice mode. In that specify list view dot choice mode multiple and place semicolon. After that we have seen in also in previous tutorials to how to handle the button click. If you don't know, you can see in previous tutorials. So by declaring button dot set on click listeners new control space press enter, just import it packages. In that we are using collection framework class. Sparse boolean array. store the values of checked list view items and key items and its values, which is stores the items and its position to the list view, and it's in sparse boolean array we are using. Let's say SBA is equal to listview dot get, get checked item positions. After that, we have to pass the for loop. So it will get the total size of the sparse booleans array, which items is stored in it, and it will iterate until the total size of SBA, which is the sparse booleans array variable. Let's say SBA dot size semicolon I plus plus. Control Shift F, and after that we are passing the if condition to check whether it is get the values or not. SBA dot value at I, which is iterating value of integer I variable. Okay, I forgot to mention here I less than SBA dot size, so it will iterate until the total size of the variable. So in that the if condition we are just printing the toast. You can expand with your business logic here, how to deal with as per your needs. Toast dot make text get application context. Here we are passing the list array variable name. In that pass the SBA dot e at. In that pass index is I. As per it iterates the loops. It will show the values. Toast dot length dot short dot show. So it will we are using the list array variable to show its index positions item name. Otherwise, if you use the only SBA dot key at and item I index I position, so it will shows you the index number instead of the item number. Here we have to get the item on button click, so we have pass here list array variables and SBA dot key at, it is the position it takes from I. Let's run. You don't set its manifest files intent filter, you can set to default as main activity. If you don't know, you can prefer my previous tutorials to how to set. It is installing. It will take some time. Says loaded. Oh, I have not set the intent as per I say, so it will show you the as a main file. So cut and paste here as a main. Here it is a action and category to show it main and launcher. After that save it. See it will show the second activity file as we seen in previous tutorials. So again it will installing and loading. So if you don't use here listview.set choice mode, then you are not able to set the multiple choices, and you can see it will shows you the checkbox with list view. See, if you select it multiple selection, so it will shows you the Android and Windows. If you one click, it will shows you the Android only. For that it will not shows anything. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe us on YouTube.